Hello, in this video I would like to discuss the location of Kenya. So we know that Kenya is an African country and the capital of Kenya is Nairobi. And Nairobi is a very important place because it has got the headquarters of two important United Nations programs. One being United Nations Human Settlement Program and United Nations Environment Program. So these two programs taken up by United Nations are headquartered at Nairobi in Kenya. And Kenya got its independence in the year 1963 from Britain, and it is also called as Cradle of Humanity because the earliest ancestors by name Homo rudolfensis, the earliest ancestors of mankind, their bones were found for the first time in Kenya. So from then it is called as Cradle of Humanity. And we know that Kenya is in Africa, and to have an exact location, it is in the East Central Africa. So this is the exact place. And equator also is present in Kenya. I mean, equator also passes through Kenya, and here are some countries of Africa that are bounding or surrounding Kenya, like Ethiopia, South Sudan, Uganda, Tanzania, Somalia. So we'll try to locate them. And also there is a lake called Lake Victoria that is present in Kenya, exactly in between Kenya and Uganda. So this Lake Victoria is the largest freshwater lake in whole of Africa and second largest in the whole world. So first largest lake in the world is Lake Superior, and this is the second largest and the largest in Africa. And there is a great rift valley that divides Kenya into two parts, and this rift valley has got a number of lakes. So these lakes are alkaline in nature, and one such lake is Lake Turkana. So Lake Turkana is the largest alkaline lake in the world, and also it is the largest permanent desert lake, and this is a permanent desert lake. And there is a river called Tana River. This is the longest river, and also there is a mount called Mount Kenya. So Mount Kenya in Kenya is the second highest mountain peak. The first highest mountain peak in Kenya is Mount Kilimanjaro. So the second one is Mount Kenya. So all of these are present in Kenya. Now we'll give a rough outline of Kenya. So as we have said, this is if we can draw Kenya, if we can consider this as Indian Ocean. So this is Indian Ocean, and this is the east coast of Africa, and Kenya would somewhat look like this. So this is present in Africa. So this is Kenya. Now we'll try to locate the various countries, African countries that are surrounding Kenya. So here we have Somalia. So on the east side of Kenya, we have Somalia. On the north, it is divided in between two countries. So one, we have Ethiopia. So we have Ethiopia here, and here we have South Sudan. So the north is taken by two countries, Ethiopia and South Sudan, and the east is taken by Somalia. And on the west, we have Uganda. So Uganda is on the west of Kenya, and on the west, after Uganda, we have this Lake Victoria. So Lake Victoria is present in this place. So this is Lake Victoria. So this is also bordering Kenya on its west. So Uganda and Lake Victoria on its west. And on the south, there is a country that is Tanzania. So Tanzania is on the south. So these are all the basic borders of Kenya. Somalia on its east, and Ethiopia and South Sudan on its north, Uganda and Lake Victoria on its west, and Tanzania on its south. So these are all the bordering countries and one lake that is bordering Kenya. Now we'll see the other things in Kenya, like a Great Rift Valley. So as I've told, there is a Great Rift Valley in Kenya. So that is present over here. So this is dividing Kenya into two parts. So this Rift Valley has got a string of lakes. So one lake that comes out of this Rift Valley is Lake Turkana. So this is Lake Turkana. So Lake Turkana is important because this is the largest permanent desert lake in the world and largest alkaline lake in the world. So this is Lake Turkana. And now we are left with Tana River. So Tana River drains into Indian Ocean. So Tana River goes in this way. So this is Tana River, River Tana. So this is the longest river in all Kenya, and Tana River drains into Indian Ocean. And next we have Mount Kenya. So Mount Kenya is the highest peak in the whole of Kenya, and the second highest peak in whole of Africa. The first is Kilimanjaro and the second is Kenya. So Mount Kenya is present over here. So these are all the basic things around Kenya, like 5 countries surrounding it, like Somalia, Ethiopia, South Sudan, Uganda and Tanzania, and one important lake, that is Lake Victoria, and Lake Turkana, that is inside Kenya, and also one important river, that is Tana River, and Mount Kenya being the highest mount in Kenya. So this is all about Kenya, and also equator passes through Kenya. So this is exactly passing through Kenya. So this is equator. So these are all the basic things about Kenya, and the capital of it is Nairobi. And thank you.